Yo, what's up, guys? This is Savik trading again. Basically, today just recapping what to look forward to this week in the stock market. I'm predicting a lot of good news for the stocks I mentioned in my Discord server, where I mentioned my plays that I'm in and whatnot. Here's a play right now. This is AGRO. It's a European-based agriculture company, which they do a variety of things that I'm not interested in because it doesn't really matter. What matters is their chart, and their chart is speaking the language of love. Basically, continuing my pattern. It's stabilizing right now. Like I said, the third resistance level that I mentioned in my Discord. I even drew it up for everybody. It's basically leveling right there. Now that resistance is now support. As we can see, it's not dropping below this. Here, let's get a closer look. It's literally staying above the third resistance level, which is 1035. And I think, based off this chart, that within 6 months, that this will break. Hold on, let me get to the main thing. It will break all five. I'm 100% confident that it will. I don't guarantee it because it could take longer depending on how the volume looks, but it looks like we're gaining a lot of volume on this stock. I still think right now, anytime right now before its all-time high is a good buy right now. So another one I was looking at is TGLS. TGLS that I mentioned also in my Discord server right over here. TGLS, I mentioned this May 11th, also in my last video I mentioned it. Um, it's putting in work. It's putting in freaking work. Everything that I called in my server is putting in work. This was the day trading lines right here. I'll show you the full thing right here. So as you can see, I put these lines because I was day trading it. But I am in a long-term position with this stock. Unfortunately, they do not have any options to trade because they're a Colombian based company, but they don't have, for some reason they don't have option trading for their stock, but that's whatever. It's basically past its all-time high at this territory. As long as the all-time high remains as a support level, this thing could go bonkers. It's unmeasurable. We don't know how high it's going. Very good stock, very good buy. I mentioned it back when it was at like $17. It actually hit 2041 on Friday, which is huge, to say the least. Also mentioned in my last video, apps anytime right now. I feel that it is a great shorting opportunity. This thing is bearish. It's repeating the pattern that almost every tech company formed in the beginning of February and March. It's now beginning that hellish bearish run. Holy crap, that's a tongue twister. Well, let me get the big ass chart right here. As you can see, it's no longer. It used to have a support right here. It used to have a resistance right here. It broke its support, meaning it's very bearish right now. Bearish indicators, big time. This thing, I'm predicting, like I said in my last video, I think this thing's going to 35. Unfortunately, I could not short this on Friday. Most likely going to be shorting tomorrow or Tuesday. So be on the lookout for that. That's big time. This is going to be a big play. I don't know if I'm going to continuously day trade this or I'm going to just have a long-term short position. Holy shit, I'm tongue-tying the crap out of this. But it's a great buy. Not a great buy, a great short. But yeah, I mean, everything I called in my Discord server, join my Discord server. I'm in here like swimwear. It's where the money moves are at. I have so many money moves here, like, and I've only had this for maybe like 15 days. Started this up for 15 days for the service of y'all. All of y'all will help me help you, basically, in a sense. This is free. You don't have to pay for anything. I'm literally doing this to establish teaching credibility. Just join, links in my description. But remember the plays that I just said. Recap this video. Look at these stocks, do your own research before you get in. But I'm telling you, as an experienced investor, this is something I like to see, and I am almost guaranteeing myself, not you, myself, that this thing is gonna go my way. So if you want to learn how I trade, how I do things, I even day trade sometimes. Just join my Discord server. Hit me up with questions, everything. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here. I'm doing this full time now. I'm making so much money, making so many moves that I feel like I have no choice but to stay on here. So, yeah, guys, have a good day. See you guys tomorrow morning.